All right, we are out here at 2561 Pleasant Valley. Nice little investment property. They've done a good job on the inside. Let's go take a look. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It does have exterior laundry, which means it's under the carport. But if you've watched any of our videos, you know I absolutely love when people keep the original hardwood floors and refinish them. So great job there. They did put LVP in 2 rooms in this nice little small dining room right here. And the kitchen. We'll come through the kitchen just so you can kind of see the whole thing. The kitchen does have a door that goes outside to that carport area. We'll go out there in just a couple minutes and take a look. The rest of the house has this hardwood floor that moves through it. So like I said, 3-bedroom. One bath. This property would make a really nice rental for someone looking to add to their investment portfolio. Let's go outside, take a look at the laundry area, the carport, and the backyard. So you've got your stairs off the kitchen, sorry. They go out to the back and down into the front as well. Covered carport area. And like I said, exterior laundry. Out here you've got a little unit that holds the laundry, washer dryer area, and the water heater. And then with a little bit of repair on this chain link, you'd have a fenced backyard. I'd love to hear your comments, see what you guys think. If you'd like to see a private tour, as always, reach out, give us a call. Happy to set that up for you. Looking forward to hearing from you.